It's Monday, December 16th, 2024. It's 9:03 a.m. Eastern. This is a screen recording of a live trading session with my small account. I want to add that I'm finding it very difficult and quite a distraction to make a video and speak on this microphone, trying to do a play-by-play while I'm actually in a trade. I know other creators are very good at that, but even after 50-some videos now, I'm still struggling with it, and I think at times it even has affected my better judgment. So I want to say that if I happen to go radio silent or quiet during the trade, just please hang in there. I will circle back and do a full recap on the trade, my thought process, and things like that. So I appreciate your understanding in that area, and I'll return when the market opens and I see a possible trade. Keep an eye on SIDU, top gainer, up 140%. Had a nice run here. Has since traded sideways. Watching to see it has another run left in it, which way it's going to go. I have days 354 back here on this candle. Trying to break through that. I have an order ready for just 30 shares. This thing's been, I don't know, it's been a little choppy. Not sure which way it wants to go from this sideways movement. Keep an eye on things and I'll return. I have an order in for 30 shares, and I am in. I have 30 shares at 379. See if I can get a little piece of this. Nice move. And I am out. Let's go see how we did. All right, that was just a little baby scalp, $3.60. I didn't stay in it long, not a lot of faith, a lot of sideways movement, as you can see, and just didn't have a lot of trust that it was going to continue. I got in on this candle at 379. I got out on this candle at 391 with 30 shares. And right after I got out, you can see how it is pulled back. So I got out at a good time. Just made a little bitty scalp today, but a green trade. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.